Oh, there's one behind me. I think it's Dustin. I'm chasing him. Run to you, run to you.
Dustin! Oh! I thought the chainsaw was started. It must have stopped.
This fucking place again.
The way out. God damn it.
This house is a maze. Ah, he pushed me down. He pushed me down. Catch him.
My chainsaw stalled!
Catch him. He's...
I can't, my chainsaw stalled!
Get him. I poisoned him.
No way
I
out.
poisoned him.
Run!
How many times do I gotta hit him? Holy shit. I slashed him like 8 times and I poisoned him. He's still going. Did he get out the front door?
I got him. But the
Son
chainsaw
of a
stalled
bitch.
again. God damn. Oh god, you're there!
That was bullshit.
Oh, I found one. I found Jordan. He's upstairs.
Oh, thank goodness. I finally found... Oh no, is this the ladder exit? Fuck, it's the ladder exit.
Damn it, I lost
I'm
him.
trying to get out, Clayton. I'm trying.
I lost him. Is that you making that noise down there with the door? Oh, here he is. He's up here.
Probably.
I stabbed him to death while he was on the ladder. Oh, she's right here.
Oh, there she is, yes.
I didn't even see her.
He's trying to tell me something before.
I was a little quicker than you, Clayton.
I was out of stabs.
How dare you star our chicken?
Oh my god!
Oh, fuck off, Sissy.
Oh, fuck you! Fuck
I
off!
found you, Evan.
Fuck off, old man. Fuck off!
Sissy is pissy.
Oh, hey! No! Fuck off! I can't see anything.
Oh, you poor little thing.
Slow down, Evan.
Fuck off.
I ran out of stamina again. I'm getting mad. Get back here.
Fuck!
I think you
This is
just sealed your fate.
Bullshit, man.
Oh, that's brutal, though.
Bullshit.
Her fucking execution's so gross.
That's bullshit. That's bullshit. Bullshit.
Who's Leatherface?
I heard
Jordan.
that.
This is so unfortunate. Excuse me.
Bitch.
God damn it.
Going for the well.
No, the well,
Oh,
the well.
bitches!
Damn.
Oh! If I only knew where this was compared to where the exit is, I don't know.
So Kim,
Did you die?
Yeah,
Wow.
what just happened?
It does kill you!
I thought he
died
did.
in
I think he died
application.
too much falling down the well. He took too much damage.
Yeah. No fucking way. He's gonna let her escape. No, Jordan, no! Not like this!
Oh no.
Jordan's
Oh.
onto her. He's on
Ah,
her.
he got ya!
Yeah, Grandpa told us where she was.
Oh,